Artificial intelligence, AI, is changing the business world in profound ways. As technology advances and companies continue to invest in AI, the potential for growth, efficiency, and innovation is tremendous. From improved decision-making and personalized customer experiences to reduced costs and increased productivity, the impact of AI on businesses is already apparent. One of the most significant benefits of AI is its ability to improve efficiency and productivity. AI can automate routine tasks, freeing up time for employees to focus on higher-level work. For example, in the manufacturing industry, AI-powered robots can perform tasks such as assembly, quality control, and packaging, reducing the need for human labor. In healthcare, AI can analyze medical data to help doctors make faster and more accurate diagnoses. And in finance, AI-powered software can perform tasks such as risk assessment and fraud detection, improving the efficiency and accuracy of financial processes. Another benefit of AI in business is its ability to improve decision-making through data analysis. AI can process vast amounts of data and identify patterns and trends that humans may miss. This data analysis can help businesses make informed decisions and predictions about customer behavior, supply chain management, and inventory management. For example, AI-powered marketing software can analyze customer data to identify preferences and target marketing campaigns to specific individuals. In the supply chain, AI can analyze data on supplier performance, delivery times, and inventory levels to optimize processes and reduce costs. AI is also enhancing customer experiences through personalization and automation. AI can personalize customer experiences by analyzing data on customer preferences and behavior, enabling businesses to provide personalized recommendations and marketing. In addition, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are increasingly being used to automate customer service tasks, providing 24/7 support and reducing the need for human labor. This is particularly beneficial for businesses that operate globally, where customer service is required around the clock. Despite the many benefits of AI, there are also potential drawbacks to consider. One of the most significant concerns is job displacement and automation of low-skilled jobs. AI can automate tasks such as data entry, inventory management, and accounting, reducing the need for human labor in these areas. This can lead to job losses and displacement, particularly for workers in industries where these tasks are prevalent. Another concern is the potential security risks and dependence on technology. As businesses become more reliant on AI, the risk of cyber attacks and other security threats increases. In addition, companies that rely too heavily on AI may become less resilient to disruptions caused by technological failures or other issues. Preparing for the transition to AI is crucial for businesses to realize its potential benefits and avoid potential drawbacks. Identifying areas where AI can be implemented, such as automating routine tasks or improving data analysis, is a critical first step. Training employees on new technologies and skills needed to work alongside AI is also crucial. This can include data analysis and programming skills, as well as skills such as emotional intelligence and creativity that complement AI. In conclusion, AI is already changing the business world, and its potential for growth, efficiency, and innovation is tremendous. From improving decision-making and personalized customer experiences to reducing costs and increasing productivity, the impact of AI on businesses is already apparent. However, there are also potential drawbacks to consider, such as job displacement, security risks, and dependence on technology. As businesses prepare for the transition to AI, they must consider the potential risks and opportunities of the technology and take steps to ensure responsible use. If you want to learn more about what will happen after transitioning to AI, you can read the article. I am sure you will learn more about AI's future in businesses. Have a nice munchy day.